Howdy!
I am so weak.
Get in!
Hey, can I get a hot?
Okay, she wants a hot apple cider.
Can I get a hot apple crisp macchiato? Did I tell her what's us?
No.
What are you getting, ma'am?
Caramel ribbon crunch with a grande. I want the grande, baby.
We have just placed our Asian food orders. The food that freaking makes my life bearable. And so we were waiting for them to prepare it. And this woman, I stole her card. And
You still have it?
we are out here. We have only walked for 0.46 of a mile. And she's ready to turn around and go back.
Help me.
I usually walk 2 miles. Two.
We don't care.
Miranda. She's styling. She profiling.
So seductive.
Ooh, what is that?
What is that? I'm calling the cops.
Go ahead, shawty. I made the last a couple days ago was horrible.
Are you serious?
I haven't even do. I was sitting around the house all day.
Oh my god, we still haven't made TikTok. I guess we'll do it after this once we got a full meal on us.
What is that? You need to leave me alone.
The bug.
No! Don't snack it.
Why are you trying to get underneath? I was about to say you can.
So the bees definitely ran us away from the picnic table. So now we were sitting in the car where they are not. Mukbang.
I already ate my dumpling because they were busting.
Busting out the seams.
Busting out the seams. I'm gonna start using that. Now I'm drinking soup.
This is a cold noodle. I'm not a big fan. So my sister will be getting these. It is October the 2nd and it is 79 degrees out here. We sweating balls. We sweating balls.
And he felt so sad.
He did not feel sad.
He literally was so sad. And I was just like, I wasn't with her.
Oh my gosh. So that was very interesting, but we had to dip because old girl was falling asleep during the freaking thing. I was like, we could just leave.
To not entertain me.
But she was scared to walk out. Like, girl, if we don't be bold, we black, we gotta be bold. Just get up and walk away.
That girl with the Black Lives Matter.
Oh my god.
She's not invited anymore.
Side note, we were literally the only 2 black people at this event. It was kind of awkward, to say the least. Got these popcorn flavored freaking M&Ms. They definitely are something.
Very much so.
Turn left onto Bank Street West.
It smells like popcorn,
Turn left onto South Vienna
but it doesn't taste.
Croissant Street.
Okay, it kind of tastes like popcorn, but it has like these crispies inside, like from a Crunch bar.
I taste the popcorn.
This marks the end of our excursion. I've arrived back at my house.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody say bye to Alexia.